Welcome back, everybody. So check this out. So doing a little something fun today. We are on our way right now to pick up my 69 Vet. If you've been watching the channel, you probably noticed that the car's kind of been missing out of the background. A lot of people are asking if it's got sold or what happened to it and stuff like that. So unfortunately, like right before the holidays, around November or something like that, I was trying to fit my side-by-side into the shop and I ended up backing into the thing and putting a hole in the back of it. Check out a couple of these pictures like right here. So anyway, I made an appointment and they just got me in about a month or two ago. So now it's done and it's ready. So we're on our way right now. We're gonna pile in the car and go pick it up. Alright, so I got it back to my house now. Just want to show you the repairs here. They do just such an amazing job there. This whole pan was cracked underneath. Over there, there was like a hole right here. They did a really good job, and then they ended up rubbing the whole car out. So, glad to have it back. Still got a bunch of stuff to do to it. Alright, so that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed the video, press like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.